안녕하세요, 여러분. Today we would like to introduce some Korean culture to your home. We will talk about 사물놀이. 여러분, 사물놀이 알아요? 사물놀이 is a genre of percussion music that's originated in Korea. The word samul means for objects, while nori means play. Samulnori translated into play of four instruments. Samulnori is performed with four traditional Korean musical instruments called pommol. These are jing, changu, kwengwari, and finally buk. Samulnori is characterized by strong accented rhythms, vibrant body movements, and an energetic spirit. Samulnori's roots are pommolnori or nongak, which is a type of Korean folk music accompanied by dances and acrobatics as a ritual. Samulnori is believed to have existed even before 57 before Christ and was designated by UNESCO as Intangible Cultural Heritage since 2014. Samulnori historically performed outdoors and involved dozens of people singing, drumming, and dancing. It was originally played as a part of farm work to thank the spirits for harvest and to promote a sense of unity. In 1978, the musical ensemble Samulnori was established by a master drummer named Kim Dok-soo and decided to formulate a reduced version of Samulnori with only four percussion instruments and fewer performers to be brought to contemporary stage as an artistic sample. Consequently, numerous bands that played the same musical style as original group emerged, which is why Samulnori has gone from being the name of a group to the name of the performing art itself. So, Samulnori is a traditional non-gag performance developed for the modern stage. While non-gag features wind and percussion instruments, Samulnori features only percussion instruments. To know more about each Samulnori's instrument, stay tuned for our next content. Thank you for watching and see you later!